Alright guys, today we're going to learn how to work out the gradient of a line from two given points. Firstly, let us define gradient. Gradient is defined as rise over run. That is, for every 1 unit increase in the x values, what is the change in the y values? In this instance, rise may be worked out by subtracting one y coordinate from the other. 4 minus 1 giving us 3. The run may be worked out by subtracting one x coordinate from the other. 8 minus 2 giving us 6. Plugging this into the rise over run formula, we'll get 3 on 6 equals a half, which is the gradient of this line. This also gives us the general formula, whereby y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals the gradient. We can test this out in the next example. Here we must first decide which set of coordinates is x1 and y1, and which set of coordinates is x2 and y2. Let us make x1 and y1 1 and 5, and x2 and y2 4 and 2. Plugging this into the general formula, we get 2 minus 5 over 4 minus 1, giving us a gradient of -1. Two things may be noted here. Firstly, if a line is going up and to the right, it will have a positive gradient, as was the case in the first example. If a line is going down and to the right, it will have a negative gradient, as was the case in the second example. One last thing may be noted. It does not matter whether you subtract y1 from y2 and x1 from x2, or if you do so in the reverse order, as long as the ordering is kept consistent in both the numerator and the denominator. We can test this out again in the second example, whereby we get 5 minus 2 over 1 minus 4, again giving us the gradient of -1. That's all for today.